Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video on Startup Yourself. When you want to learn something new, you have to find trusted resources who will guide you. Not only guide, but share with certain tips and tricks that keep you motivated, as well as boost your morale. Today, I brought you the top 11 YouTube channels about making money online that will help you without a doubt. Let's not waste any more time and start with it. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Alright now, let's begin. Number 11, Wesley Virgin. We'll kick off this list with Wesley Virgin. This YouTuber is like no other. He will tell you all different ways of earning online, and it's not just the tips and tricks, but his way of telling you them is what will get you cracking. His way of speaking is so natural, friendly, and energized that you'll not only learn something, but also start believing in yourself. His channel has over 404,000 subs, and I've only seen nothing but good reviews on his videos. His videos introduce you to the internet and covers everything, from earning online without any skill to ways in which your skills can come in handy. He takes pride in helping people become rich, which is why he explains everything step by step and adds all the tiny details into his video. Well, you should definitely give his channel a try because his videos are authentic and they showcase how easy it is to earn your first dollar online. I wouldn't say that he'll make you rich overnight, but yes, his YouTube channel tells you the endless possibilities of how the internet can make you rich. Obviously, it's your hard work, determination, and consistency that will make you millionaires. Number 10, Deadbeat Super Affiliate. This YouTube channel is really helpful. It is operated by Dan Brock, who is a brilliant guy. He has videos that teach you online marketing step by step. Plus, he also has an amazing course on his channel that's definitely worth a try. When it comes to online marketing, he is an expert, and in his videos, he will be teaching you all of the stuff you learn in textbooks with an expensive tuition fee for free. So why not stop by his channel? You get a ton of information for absolutely zero fee. Also, affiliate marketing is one of the top online earning methods, and people have been earning up to 6 to 7 figures from just that. So if you just really put your heart in it, understand the basics right, and be consistent, you really can start making a huge income online. Number 9, Make Money Matt. Make Money Matt speaks for itself. It is a channel for you to explore money making through YouTube. He also has a crash course for you that is more than a half an hour where he gets down to the fundamentals of owning a YouTube channel and turning it into a steady income through monetization ads and other ways to earn on the site without posting videos. And trust me people, it's not as hard as it may seem. Yes, it does require patience and consistency. However, it's a no-brainer that only a few could become successful in it. Well, YouTubing has changed lives for many. Why not give it a go yourself? Number 8, Marissa Romero. Marissa Romero is next on the list. Her YouTube channel is something you should definitely watch if you want to start earning online. Her content is totally authentic and very practical. Everyone can try to do what she does. She also educates, teaches, and spreads knowledge in general. She has been doing a lot of affiliate marketing, so she knows a lot about it. Plus, she's made a whole video about how to earn money from home, which is amazing. Number 7, Joshua Elder. Joshua Elder is another guy you should watch. He can teach you to make money anywhere between $1,000 a month to $100,000 per month. Before you doubt anything I say, I suggest you go and check out his channel. He has about 55,000 subscribers on YouTube, and each video of his gets nothing less than 1,000 views. His videos aren't even long, so you can easily sit down and watch them. Great thing about them is that he gets straight to the point, so it's easier to understand the gist of it. Do make sure to check out his channel. What if he's the one that helps you out making your first dollar online? Number 6, Kevin David. Well folks, there can't be said much about Kevin as his videos speak for himself. He became a self-made millionaire within 2 years of earning online. Now that's a feat to achieve. His enthusiasm for his niche is very big, and he wants to spread the knowledge he has about the online money-making world. He uploads videos with a 2-day gap, and let me tell you that they are very helpful. He has over 1.2 million subscribers on YouTube and is working towards making a change in this world. Number 5. Buildapreneur Spencer Mecham. Spencer isn't just someone who's going to teach you how to make money, but he's an inspiration as well. His journey is phenomenal, and let us not talk about his affiliate marketing skills. He has earned himself $1 million through his ClickFunnels. He has pretty hardcore lessons on his channel that will grip your attention, and they are very practical too. Spencer Mecham's Buildapreneur is definitely worth your click. Number 4. Andy Haffel. Andy is another name you should look up. He has about 238,000 subscribers on YouTube. He covers YouTube and freelancing, and he basically teaches you how to make up a YouTube channel, how to run it, and how to make it a source of cash flow. And then Fiverr too. He has videos up for Fiverr and how to get started with it and turn it into your daily work. Number 3. Investor. Next up, we've got Investor. It is another YouTube channel you can definitely look up for help. The guy teaches you the basics of setting up a new channel on YouTube step by step with instructions regarding monetization and ads. He explores and tries business apps, websites, and every other possible way for making money. He also tries stuff like copy pasting and earning money, searching Google keywords for money, basically all the freelance stuff, but it'll be tried and tested so you know what to opt for. So it's like he tries everything for you and shares all legitimate ways you can earn on the internet. Number 2. Franklin Hatchett. Hatchett's channel is a great opportunity for learners who are looking forward to mastering the art of online marketing. He has a full training series regarding making money online, affiliate marketing, and about drop shopping business with Shopify. So give his channel a try and you will love it. Number 1. John Crestani. John Crestani is regarded as the master of ClickBank. He even has his own products there. He knows all about affiliate marketing and knows about high and low sale tickets. Plus, he also has do's and don'ts on his channel, so you can look up to him in an educational way. He teaches things step by step, which is absolutely great. These were the top 10 YouTube channels that will help you in your quest to earn online. Most of them are in different niches, so my suggestion would be to pick the one that finds your interest. Best of luck, and let's hope you become a millionaire as soon as possible. And this brings us to the end of our video, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't liked the video yet, it's never too late. Give it a thumbs up, people. We will see you in another video, so until then, take care and goodbye.